Hello, good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about another Indian English poem, which is written by Dilip Chitre. As you know that Dilip Chitre is a bilingual poet in Indian English literature. Dilip Chitre has written several poems in Marathi language also. Says Tuka is a famous poetic volume by Dilip Chitre. This is the translation of Saint Tukaram's Abhangavani. Father Returning Home is a very significant poem written by Dilip Chitre. According to some critics, this poem is an autobiographical poem. Critics they have said that Dilip Chitre has written about his own father. In this sense, we can say that Chitre has portrayed the character of his father. Father Returning Home is a poem in which we can see some aspects of Indianness and the life of middle class person in metropolis of Mumbai. Returning Home. The title of this poem is a very significant and suitable. The main character or the main figure in this poem is a father, and the narrator is the son of the father. He describes the daily routine of father in this poem. Father is working in the distinct suburb of Mumbai. He is a very depressed fellow in his family. He wants to find some solace in his own family because he has been tortured and rotten by the daily routine of the Mumbai city. Dilip Chitre describes in the first stanza the returning of father from a late night local train. He describes the situation of platform. The situation is very dull, and there is a fade light. These are the symbols of the depression in the father's life. He wants to abandon and he wants to leave the platform as early as possible because he has tired from daily work. He wants to go his home early, and Dilip Chitre describes the father who is a very isolated man among the commuters in the train. Uh, Father feels the feelings of the isolation, and another commuters gather around him. They don't speak with each other, and the situation in the train is a very dull situation. When father left from the train, Chitre describes this situation in very excellent manner. I want to focus on the description of Chitre regarding in this manner. He has used very significant simile to describes the situation of the father. When father left the train, he describes that father is dropped from station like a word dropped from long sentence. This the description is very apt and suitable. After father coming to the home, nobody takes the care of the father. The family, his own family members, they neglect the father. The father eats chapati, stale chapati, and very paid tea, as he is accustomed with this routine. He wants to share his feelings with his own children and wife, but nobody cares about the father. Chitre in this poem describes the situation of father is very pathetic. He describes the agonies and pathos of the common middle class man. As you are familiar with the term a common middle class man. R.K. Lakshman, the famous cartoonist, has portrayed the picture or cartoon of the common middle class man through his cartoon pictures. Uh, the situation of the father is very pathetic, and after he finished the chapati and tea, he uh, wants to share his jokes with his children, but nobody pays the attention to his chatting. And then father tries to read some book. The symbol of book is very significant in this poem, because poet wants to highlight that his father is a very scholarly man, and he has a habit of reading. And father went to rest, and while his rest, he listened to radio. Even the sound of radio is very dull, and it is a part of daily routine. Uh, Dilip Chitre wants to focus on some aspects of the modern society. He says that in the era of the globalization, or in the era of the postmodern Indian English Indian people's life, people generally neglect the old person. Uh, Father in this poem is a very old man. When he washes his hand, Chitre describes it that the hands of father is trembling due to the age, and he describes it in a very significant manner. In this poem, we can see the agonies and pathos of middle class family. The father is only the earner person or working man in this family. His family totally depends on his work. Though this is the reality, but father never gets respect in his family. This is this is the pathetic situation in this poem. The students, as we can see that after the era of the globalization, the man has been neglected by the society, and we can see that the money gets the valuable position in our society. People don't give the respect to the elder people. Dilip Chitre wants to focus on a very important aspect through this poem, that the man is very lonely in his own family, and indirectly he regrets on the collapse of the culture and the decline of the values through our familial familial atmosphere. Familial atmosphere. In this poem, he uses a very free verse style. There is no rhyming scheme in this poem. It shows the narrative skill of Dilip Chitre to this poem. Father returning home has some autobiographical aspects. Dilip Chitre wants to narrate about his own family and the situation of middle class person in the crowded city like Mumbai. To conclude the discussion of the poem, we can say that this is an excellent poem regarding with the discussion of the common Indian man who has been neglected by his own family. The style of the poet is a very excellent style, and he has described the figure of father and his family in a very detailed way. So, thank you very much.